trying to free your mind, Neo. But I can only show you the door. You're the one that has to walk through it.
You have to let it all go, Neo. Fear, doubt, and disbelief.